Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. What inspired me to do this video was my last one where I had two Trix Marklin big boys. These are two Trix German 22060 with a 462 wheel arrangement steam locomotives. They have the same type of smoke generator as the big boys, except they're just the smaller Soith smoke generator. The big boys have the larger Soith smoke generator. Nonetheless, there is no chuffing. The smoke isn't at times with a chuffing sound, I should say. But they do have extensive sounds, like they have the sound effect at the air pump, which you hear right now. They also have the rocker grates, which is F9. Let me see if I can get that to go now. Can kind of hear it. There's the blowing off steam. I think that's F8. You kind of hear it. Coal being shoveled. That's what you're hearing. I'm going to shut that off. Oh, now you hear the rocker grate. I'm going to shut that off also. There we go. It has also a switching whistle, which is F6. There we go. There we go. Squealing of the brakes also, ABV. They have also a long whistle, F3. Oops. For some reason it's not working. Anyway. And to turn off the sound, you just press F2. And that one didn't work either. Okay, I'm not sure why it's not working. But anyway, the smoke generators aren't the greatest on these. I've had them for a long time. But let's try running them. I did turn the lights on. Hopefully we'll see them when we go in reverse. Hopefully they come on. There we go. And let's go forward. Lights are not very bright going forward. They kind of came on. They're just not very bright, that's all. Anyway, I can see inside the boiler housing that the lights actually are on, because I can see a little bit of a light to the side. This is the top speed. They're pretty fast. They do actually pull quite well. And let me see if I can put them in reverse so you can hear the brake squeal. And that didn't do it that time. Okay. I don't know if it's my controller or if it's just them not cooperating, because I know I have the brake squeal on. Maybe if I just slow it down. Let's see if... Let's hear. No, we don't have it there either. Okay, let's go forward. And let's try it again. No, it didn't do it. So let me see if I can change that. I think it's... F5, so let me try it again. Go forward and... Nope, doesn't work still. Let's see. No, still doesn't work. Okay. they're so old, I don't know if there's any glitches that they've had recently. Or if it's my controller, not sure. Change direction. Just want to see the reverse light come on again. There we go. The backup lights are very bright, but the forward lights are terrible on these. Just put it in forward again. I'm going to slow it down now as it comes around the corner here. Let's go to 1/3 speed. Yeah, you can kind of hear the chuffing sound. I actually thought that these also had the little firebox, but they don't. I know that I have a couple Trix that do have the firebox. I'm just going to speed this one up a bit. They are nice engines. They do run well. It's just that I think sometimes the commands, the function keys, for some reason I'm not understanding them on this controller that I have. Smoke generators are starting to warm up now too, so I'm going to slow down this one now so we can take a closer look at it. You can see I haven't run it for a long time because there's like spider webs on the wheels. I'm going to speed up the other one now. Here we go. I really don't like these Soith smoke generators. They don't last very long. And there's no shutdown sequence for these either. It's just a simple emergency stop. There you go, and it cuts the power off to the track. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you.